Ever seen a meme that looked funny but left you feeling uneasy? Maybe it used stereotypes, hidden messages, or twisted humor to spread something harmful. That's the tricky world of harmful memes, where images, text, and context collide to create content that can deceive, hurt, or manipulate. But here's the big question. How do we teach AI to spot these dangers? Today, we're exploring a game-changing tool called AdamMeme that's rewriting the rules of how we test AI's ability to understand harmful online content. Let's start with the basics. Modern AI models, like the ones powering your favorite chatbots or image generators, can process both text and images. But memes, they're a whole different beast. These tiny bursts of culture mix humor, sarcasm, and context in ways that even smart systems struggle to decode. Traditional tests for harmful memes, they're like using a map from the 1800s to navigate a modern city. They're outdated, static, and can't keep up with how memes evolve. That's where AdamMeme comes in. Think of it as a dynamic detective agency for AI. Instead of relying on old datasets, it adapts in real time, creating new, tricky challenges to test how well models like GPT or Gemini truly understand harm. Here's the magic. It doesn't just check if an AI sees a harmful meme. It pushes it to think harder, revealing weaknesses that static tests miss. So how does it work? First, harmfulness mining, like a team of detectives categorizing clues. The system scans memes, splitting them into types of harm: racism, sexism, hate speech, you name it. Then comes model scoring. The AI gets tested, like a student taking a pop quiz. But here's the twist: iterative refinement. The system doesn't stop there. It tweaks the memes, making them harder to decode, and tests the AI again. It's like a fitness trainer pushing you to improve. Each round makes the AI stronger or exposes its limits. Why does this matter? Imagine an AI that's great at spotting obvious hate speech, but misses subtle stereotypes. Or one that's biased in its judgments. AdamMeme doesn't just check boxes, it digs deep, revealing blind spots. In experiments, even top models struggled with nuanced content, like memes that hide harmful messages in sarcasm or cultural references. This isn't just about AI, it's about safety. As memes shape online discourse, tools like AdamMeme help us build smarter, fairer systems. And the best part? The code is open source, so researchers worldwide can refine it. Next time you see a meme, think, what's the story behind the joke? And remember, the fight to keep the internet safe is powered by innovations like this. Thanks for watching. If you want to explore how AI learns to spot harm, hit subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what's the most insidious meme you've ever seen? But here's the deeper secret: AdamMeme isn't just a test. It's a collaborative framework that mimics human expertise. Let's break down its architecture. At its core, it employs a team of specialized agents, each tackling a unique challenge. The minor agent acts as a pattern hunter, scanning for new types of harmful content that don't fit existing labels. Think of it as a librarian ensuring every book has the right shelf. No duplicates, no clutter. If a meme starts spreading a fresh kind of misinformation, the minor flags it, but only if it's truly novel. Then there's the examiner agent, the fact-checker of the group. It double-checks the minor's work, ensuring flagged content is actually harmful. The judge agent acts as quality control, preventing overlaps between new and old harm categories. And the narrator agent digs deeper, uncovering the misbeliefs behind a meme, like why a false claim might resonate with people, even if it's untrue. How do these agents work in practice? The system first uses OCR SAM2 to separate text from images, so the AI focuses on visuals without being biased by words. Then BM25 algorithms find similar examples, giving agents context. For scoring, they set thresholds to decide what's harmful versus neutral, and they test results with human evaluations to stay accurate. The results? These systems are getting better at catching harmful content, especially when they work together. For example, one study showed their methods could detect hate memes with surprising accuracy, even when the content was subtle or culturally specific. It's like giving AI a team of specialists, each catching different pieces of the puzzle. But why does this matter? Misinformation spreads faster than ever, and harmful content can shape beliefs, fuel division, or even endanger lives. By teaching AI to adapt and collaborate, we're not just flagging problems, we're building smarter tools to protect the internet. Next time you see a meme, think, what's the story behind it? And how might AI be trying to figure it out? Stay curious, and we'll keep exploring the science behind the digital world.